Hello guys, welcome to Ferdinand tutorials. I hope you're doing well. Now in this video I want to explain something to final year project students. Are you a biochemistry student, microbiology, a life science student, a physical science student, or even an art student? This video is specifically designed for you. Watch till the end, don't click off. In this video I want to explain something to you. You've got to the particular topic, your project topic. Now the next thing you're wondering is, okay, how do I start writing? The mistake you make is to start writing immediately. There are three important things I expect you to do because that's what helped me and that's what I want to share with you. Now, do these three things first before you start writing your topic. The first thing is you clarify and refine your topic. You've gotten your topic. Let's take, for instance, the topic we're talking about is FTIR analysis. FTIR analysis, right, of onion skin. Let's use this topic, for instance, of onion skin. Now, clarifying your topic simply means trying to get clarity, understanding your topic. Don't just go straight and start writing project report because you've got to your topic. Remember, of course, you need to conduct an experiment depending on the department or faculty with which you are located in. So you need to first of all understand the topic you've been given. Now, understanding the topic simply means you have to read a lot of books, a lot of published work, a lot of research that is specifically tailored towards your topic to understand what is FTIR, what does analysis of onion skin entails, what am I expected to get out of this onion skin. Remember, this is an instance, an example. Now, as I'm explaining, use your topic and start, understanding. Now, refining your topic simply means trying as much as possible to gain more insight. Okay, FTIR analysis of onion skin is not really the best topic that will help me to get my research interest, that will help me to get the results I'm expected to get with my supervisor. Okay, sir, I'm suggesting that it should be FTIR and GCMS analysis of onion skin. Now, you are refining the topic. You are trying to add something. You are trying to remove something out of that topic. It is only when you read and understand something that you can be able to refine a topic. You don't refine a topic based off of what you don't know. You refine a topic based off of what you know. So you must first of all gain clarity, that is understand, and then you can refine. Are we there now? Now that's the first step. The second step is reviewing existing literature and set objectives. Now the literature you are going to review is something that has been published. I want you to understand something. As a final year project student, you are going to try as much as possible to do a lot of reviews. Now, your work is going to be more like a narrative review. I'm using that in terms of publication now. A narrative review is a review whereby you are introducing something new based off of your experiment that you've conducted. Meanwhile, a systematic review is you trying as much as possible to introduce something new based off of what people have done, not a particular experiment you conducted. So in your project work, you are going to do more like a narrative review if you are going to publish the work. So, but back to this place, when we're talking about reviewing existing literature, we're looking at you trying as much as possible to review works that has already been done, because that will also help you to get more clarity. Do you understand? So you need to review existing literature. Now, when you review existing literature, you say, okay, these are the objectives. The first work, they said that for me to determine my aim of FTIR analysis is to get the bioactive compound. My aim of GCMS analysis is to get the active bioactive compound. Something of that nature within that line. Now, when you've done the review of this existing literature, you can now help to set your objective and aims of the particular work you want to do. Those are the knowledge you need to get first before you start reporting. Start writing reports. Now, since you've gotten to this point in this video, click on that like button so that YouTube can recommend this video to other undergraduates. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, you know what to do. Click on that subscribe button so that this channel can grow. The last thing I want us to look at is planning your methodology and draft your proposal. Now, before you go ahead to start writing your report, you must make sure you plan your methodology. Planning your methodology simply means, okay, I have this timeline to this timeline. Let's take, for instance, your project work. You are expected to write it, do your experiment and everything within a space of 3 or 4 months. You must make sure that your methodology, everything that you're going to be doing, must fix into that time frame. I hope you are following what I'm saying. So you must ensure that you plan your methodology explicitly well. Read about articles, read what have been done about that particular or similar topic, and then from there get an idea of what your methodology should look like. and make plans about it, and also be rigid to that plan. Don't just be flexible. Anything that comes, no, be rigid. Make sure you follow that plan till the end. Now, drafting your proposal. Drafting your proposal simply means, an idea of everything that you're going to be doing, right? From the beginning to the end, from writing your introduction to writing your chapter 2 to writing your chapter 3 to writing your chapter 4 till the end. So you must draft your proposal and then follow through. Drafting your proposal can be attaching a timeline. Say, okay, from this week to this week, this is what I'm going to write. From this week to this week, this is what I'm going to write. From this week to this week, I should be focusing on my methodology. From this week to this week, I should be focusing on my conclusion and recommendation. So all these things should come, and then make sure you follow suit. These are the 3 things you must make sure you do before you start writing your project report. And I believe that you will do well. So thank you for watching this video. I want to see you again in my next video. Do well to share this video with a friend, a colleague, or a classmate. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.